Are you intimidated by the idea of taking on a small plumbing job? Well, it's actually easier than you may think, especially if you use plastic plumbing, made up of plastic pipes and plastic fittings. Now, the key here is cutting the pipe and then attaching or welding it to the fittings. For cutting it, use a pair of these. These are plastic pipe cutters, sort of like a giant pair of shears. You just squeeze, and in about 2 or 3 squeezes, you're right through the pipe. Nice, clean cut. When it comes to welding it or attaching it, you'll want 2 materials. This one right here, which is purple, called a cleaner primer, and this one, which is called a cement. Take the primer, and first on the end of a piece of pipe, go around 3 times, 1, 2, and 3. Do the same thing in the end of your fitting, 1, 2, 3. Then pick up the adhesive, or the cement. Same thing around the pipe, 1, 2, 3 times. Inside the fitting, 1, 2, 3 times. Place the 2 together, give them a quarter turn, hold them for a few seconds, and that's it. So just think of that next plumbing project as a matter of cutting a few pieces of pipe to length, attaching them to the right fittings, turning on the water.